kakhulu indoda le qhawe. Qhawe lamaqhawe uyidlalile. Thank you daddy. Ngathi ngaphinde nangelinye ilanga itholi award.
Basopa mokodwela.
Anyway, guys, the people were so happy to see Sne representing her father together with Sne Mseleku. Congratulations to Musa Mseleku for winning the Entertainment Reality Show Awards from Nagwetu. Even though Sne Mseleku and Terelo did not make it because they were also nominated on the presenter category. Unfortunately, they did not make it, but you can tell Sne, she's really happy for her father as well as Sne Mseleku, guys. So also Mseleku took this to his Instagram account, and this is what he has to say. This family one day will be grateful, and indeed he will be grateful one day they will make it. And people are saying that they are very proud to see Sne, because though most of the time Sne was not saying anything, and people thinking, but they say that Sne can really make a good present. I mean, there's something about Sne, because I mean the way Sne used to say that I was a Kulmana Bantu. But right now, after seeing this video, people are sure that Sne really deserve a job to be a TV presenter, because she knows how to talk. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. Bye.